Hey there. If type 2 diabetes and insulin resistance are things that you are interested in, and if you're interested in learning about iridology and those conditions, I'm inviting you to join me for a webinar I am presenting for the International Iridology Practitioners Association. If you go to eventbrite.ca and search for International Iridology Practitioners Association, you will come to the page that you are seeing on your screen. As you scroll down, you will see that right here, starting on November 15th and continuing on December 6th, this two-part workshop is going to be happening. In this two-part workshop, November 15th from 8 till 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and finishing up on December 6th from 8 to 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time, we are going to be looking at the pandemic or the epidemic that type 2 diabetes is. We're going to look at the symptoms, the causes. We're going to look at the diet, what the medical world does with this, what we can do with it holistically, and equally importantly, we are going to be looking at many different iris markers and cases where we can see the eyes of a client who had or has the diagnosis of type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. And we'll talk about their history, their story, what we did, what we saw in their eyes, and what the end result was, how we helped them, to get control of their health and reverse this very insidious and becoming epidemic condition that is out there. So again, eventbrite.ca, Google or search for the International Iridology Practitioners Association. At the bottom of the page, you will see the link to the November 15th start of this webinar. You will have access to these recordings for, I believe it's a couple of weeks after the actual event happens. So purchase your ticket, and if you can't watch it with us live, you will have access to the recordings for a period of time. Now, I need you to know I don't make any money from this. All of the money that is gathered for tickets for this event goes directly to IPA. I don't control the replay links and where they get posted. I'm simply presenting. So if you have questions about the technical side, about accessing your replay links and things like that, you'll need to reach out to IPA. At any rate, please join me for this workshop, this 3-hour workshop spread over 2 evenings, where we will talk about type 2 diabetes, insulin resistance, and what we can do about it naturally and what you can see in the eyes that gives you information about this. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.